Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. And for today's video,
it's kind of intimate, as you can tell.
Intimate. Oo nga, tama. Wala tayong ibang makikita mga anything. Nasa bahay lang tayo today kasi masyado malakas yung snow sa labas. So.
True. And quiet ang building for some reason. Quiet ang labas. Kaya, naisipan lang namin kasi marami kaming mga comments na nare-receive, tapos mga messages din about international students. Actually, marami lang comments na hindi namin agad nare-replyan.
Yeah.
And so we thought, now we'll just make a video para extra content din. No, we just thought that we'd make a video to answer all of it. So basically, because I'm not an international student, I never went through that, Kat is here to answer all your questions. So I'll pretend to be the one asking the questions.
Yeah.
Tapos, parang ano lang, chika lang. So this video might be a little bit long compared to our other videos, but we're going to try to cover
lahat
all
na
of the
pwede
questions.
Lahat na pwede namin i-cover, but just so you know, guys, nababasa namin lahat.
True. But I'm gonna try to keep track of Kat's answering questions to a minimum amount of time, so this doesn't become an hour long because I don't have enough space on my phone to
explain in writing.
So we're just gonna get right into it. When did you move here? Yeah, just like quick questions. When did you move here?
2018.
As what?
As an international student.
For what program?
For international business management.
At what school?
Acsenda School of Management.
Okay. Oh, how was your experience? How's your experience at Acsenda School?
It was okay. And
yung program?
The program is okay and also very refreshing kasi may comparison na ako from my experience studying sa Philippines and to my experience here studying as an international student. So, it was refreshing and also very challenging.
Challenging how?
Challenging kasi hindi mo naman like bagong lugar sa'yo and ang daming challenges pagdating mo dito. First na yung language barrier. You have to talk straight in English and you have to communicate with them or communicate to the people around you, especially sa school, sa paraang alam mo kung paano mag-communicate, but also you have to adjust yourself kasi nagiging conscious ako dati paano yung approach ko is hindi pala siya okay for them, paano if yung approach ko is totally parang offensive pala sa kanila. So, yun, inaral ko din siya, but madaling sabihin na aaralin mo or i-prepare mo yung sarili mo, pero hindi mo malalaman if andun ka na kasi sa sitwasyon. Kaya, mix siya. Refreshing, happy, excited, and also challenging.
Yung mga class mo doon, was it like hard? Would you say that it was harder than the Philippines or easier here?
I think it's parang hindi siya pareho talaga. Pero masasabi kong naging okay ako dito. Kasi sa Philippines kasi pag nag-aral ka, sobrang aral ka talaga. And I mean sa panahon ko nung nag-aaral ako sa Philippines, yung grabe yung pagsusulat and then grabe yung mga books na dadalhin mo. Dito kasi nung nag-aral na ako dito, hindi everyday yung classes ko. Unlike dun sa Philippines dati, everyday yung classes ko. So, medyo draining talaga siya. Dito, may breaks naman. Kasi hindi naman everyday yung classes ko. Siguro, 3 beses or twice a week lang, and then the rest of the week nagtatrabaho ako. So, hindi, parang nakakapagod siya, but at the same time, rewarding din. But also, yung tanong mo na if mas okay ba sa Philippines or mas okay dito, I think pareho lang. Kasi, yun nga, yung sa Philippines, iba yung hirap dun kasi everyday ka nagsuschool. Dito, iba din yung hirap mo kasi nagsuschool ka and then nag-work. So, parang same lang. For me, ha?
Anong demographic ng Acsenda? Like, is it mostly Filipinos?
Maraming Filipinos, marami din tayo mga friends na from India, and then may mga naging kaklase ako na from Vietnam, and then meron ding mga from Mexico and Brazil, may mga puti naman, pero I mean may mga Canadians naman, pero
Where?
super rare lang talaga sila. Yung school talaga, yung Acsenda, puro ano lang sila, I think yung mga nakikita ko dun, puro international students talaga. Walang domestic, I think.
How were the classes then? Were you surprised? Like, how was it being in a class with ibang lahi?
It's okay, pero syempre maku-culture shock ka kasi iba-ibang lahi eh. So, nakakapanibago siya. Pero kasi nung dumating ako dito, yung focus ko talaga, alam nyo guys, ang funny kasi lagi kong nilalagay yung sarili ko sa harap sa class. Nafi-feel ko na lang sila, nafi-feel ko na lang yung mga kasama ko during sa time na may mga oral exam or may mga quizzes or may mga presentations, nafi-feel ko na lang na ganito pala sila. Or oo nga pala, hindi pala mga Pilipino yung mga kasama ko. Pero most of the time, like if magle-lecture lang naman kasi nasa harap ako, hindi ko sila masyadong nafe-feel. Like nakafocus ako sa professor. Pero yun nga, parang by the time na may mga activities or may mga presentations, magkiklik na naman sa akin na, oh my God, oo nga pala. Ito yung reality ko. Ito pala yun, may mga kasama pala akong hindi mga Filipino.
Kamusta naman yung mga professors sa Acsenda?
Oh, they're nice. They're very nice. And
pati yung admin stuff?
Yeah, they're all very nice and very accommodating. It's just that sometimes, dahil sa sobrang dami ng international students, and I think siguro, hindi masyadong, like at that time nung nag-aaral ako, I think hindi pa masyadong ganun ka-enough yung staff ng school sa admin to na side na area. Kaya siguro may mga long lineups and everything, or kaya makaka-encounter ka ng parang mga irate na mga students because hindi na-address yung mga concerns nila, yung mga ganun. Pero I think naging okay naman na yun kalaunan nung patapos na ako. Like, yung pag-graduate na ako, may sistema na sila. Dahil parang I think nagiging kilala na yung school, and then madami na mga international students na nag-enroll sa kanila. And so, gumawa sila ng sistema na super arranged na talaga.
Organized.
Oo, super organized na. Sa mga professors naman, the professors are very helpful and they're very, like, iba-ibang klase yung mga professors na napasukan ko. May mga professors na super chill lang talaga, super, like, lenient. Wala silang, ang sa kanila lang, may maintindihan ka sa class, may napupulot kang aral galing sa pagtuturo nila. Yung iba naman, super dikdikan yung pagtuturo nila. Yung iba, gusto nilang pigain pa yung utak mo to the point na parang mapapa-question ka na lang talaga na ano pa ba ang isasagot ko dito.
But that's a good thing. Right?
Yeah, that's a very good thing kasi makakatulong din naman yan for you. And also, marami ka madidiscover pag mga ganun kasi magiging resourceful ka. Like, magiging ano ka din, like, paano ko ba gagawin to? Like, mapapaisip ka talaga.
So overall, yung experience mo sa mga teachers and admin staff and the whole overall mga tao na nagpaparun ng Acsenda is good?
Yeah, they're very good overall.
I
Yeah.
think also like people would like to know, kasi may isang ako na nakita na comment na very recent lang to. I think it's Chiang Kai Su.
Mm.
Mag-work siya dun sa may Burrard where Acsenda is. Tapos tinatanong niya kung safe ba yung area, like yung
Surroundings.
surroundings ng school or Burrard is okay.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Um, Oo, hindi naman sa experience ko, even until now, kasi both kami ni Kim, nasa downtown naman kami nag-work. And so far, wala naman kaming experience na,
Negative.
oo, na naging ano kami na, oh, ayaw na namin dito. Kasi yung school mismo, or yung building na yon, pasok siya sa business
Financial,
district,
yeah.
oo, dito sa downtown Vancouver. So, kaya I think okay naman yung place, okay yung lugar. And in terms of siguro accessibility, okay din naman siya kasi tapat lang siya ng train station. So,
Yeah.
very thumbs up. Okay yung ano.
True. And there's also all the time, like there's always people in Burrard na you won't feel like you're not safe kasi maraming tao doon, maraming makakakita sa'yo, maraming you know, nakapalibot sa'yo.
Palibot, yeah.
So, it's good. But going back to Acsenda and then your experience at Acsenda, what was the most helpful sa'yo na nakuha mo from there and then transitioning to the workforce in Vancouver?
I think yung mga group presentations, and I think yung communication. Kasi, okay, so isa sa i-expect nyo kung mag-international student kayo, especially siguro dito sa school namin, particularly yung sa na-experience ko na, or sa napuntahan ko na school dito. I don't know if yung ibang schools ganun ba. Pero, ang daming group presentations. Super ini-encourage nila yung group presentations, group activities, halos lahat group. May mga individual assignments kayo, pero halos every week meron kayong group activities. Like, nilalagyan ko ng emphasis yung group kasi lagi talagang may group activities and presentations. And I think isa yan sa super nakatulong sa akin sa tanong mo na parang pag-transition ko when nung nagtatrabaho na ako dito. Kasi natutunan kong paano magbasa ng tao, natutunan ko kung paano makihalubilo ng tao, natutunan ko kung paano makisama ng tao, natutunan ko kung paano i-adjust yung sarili ko when I'm around people, and natutunan ko kung paano paano makipag-communicate sa kanila, especially dahil ibang lahi sila. You know, like, pinakauna is to read people. Kasi, importante yun. Importante talaga pag naghanap ka ng trabaho, especially sa foreign na lugar, kagaya natin. Foreign na lugar, kagaya nitong Canada. So, yeah. I think isa yun sa pinaka
important.
Yeah, nakatulong sa akin. And I think siguro dahil nga nasa survival mode tayo, isa yun sa nakatulong sa akin na in a way parang hindi naman, parang maliit lang siya na bagay ha, pero feeling ko part siya ng survival ko dito sa foreign na lugar kasi kinikilala mo yung tao or yung mga tao na nakapaligid sa'yo. Yung parang, although hindi ka komportable, pero nagiging komportable ka somehow. Like, I don't know if you get me, pero yeah, parang yun, yung pakikisama mo sa kanila.
Kahit na ibang lahi.
Yeah.
True. Is there anything negative about your experience?
Negative about my experience?
your schooling experience?
Yeah, financially. Financially, very negative talaga. Financially, very challenging. Kasi, paano ba? Very challenging siya for me because guys, ang tuition ng international student is very mahal kumpara sa tuition fees ng mga domestic students dito. And I think na-mention na namin to sa dati naming vlog na kung gusto nyo or kung magbabala kayo na mag-international student, you have to be very prepared financially din, hindi lang emotionally, hindi lang mentally. Because medyo tagilid na nga kayo pagdating nyo dito mentally and emotionally pag nag-hit na sa inyo ang challenges nyo or yung paghihirap nyo about sa pera or pagmamanage nyo ng financials nyo, especially sa ibang lugar, wala, ano na talaga, parang sobrang hirap na siya.
Yeah, Apo, I just also wanna piggyback on that thought. Na Vancouver is a really, really expensive place to live. Especially for international students or any type of student, even like domestic students, it's just really expensive here. Housing is freaking expensive, like so much more expensive now than ever. And then just everyday things is so expensive because of inflation right now.
Yeah.
So if you're coming to be an international student like soon, next year, this year, just expect that your fees and everything will be crazy. Like
Yeah.
yeah, it's really hard. Like it's hard for us now, not being international students or not being students at all, and being in the workforce. So can you imagine what it's like when you're not, when you're not working full time yet, or just focusing on that?
Yeah. So, again, isa sa mga, kung nag-a-apply kayo ngayon as international student or kung nakatry na kayo na ma-reject or nakatry or nasa process na kayo ng or nasa stage na kayo sa pagpaprocess ng papers nyo, alam nyo na pinaka-importante na i-present yung proof of funds nyo or yung show money nyo, napaka-importante na ipapakita nyo sa kanila yan. Because, again, kailangan nilang malaman na
That you can survive.
na matutustusan natin yung sarili natin bilang international student dito sa Canada. And I think sa ibang lugar din ganun din naman because they can only help us for siguro mga ibang bagay, hindi sa lahat ng bagay.
True.
So, yeah.
I think we'll end it here. Because that talk about like financials, it's a really long topic that we have to tackle. So maybe we'll just do like a live
video, yeah.
for that, and then we'll just kind of open that topic, and then yeah. But that's for another time or right now, but separate video kasi napakahabang usapan nun na kailangan talagang like i-dissect kasi maraming misconceptions about sa finance.
Totoo.
Anyways, any advice to the people?
My God, ako magbibigay ng advice.
I have advice for you.
Sige, ano?
Okay. It's really important to be open to friends and to people. Like when you come here and you're going to school and may idea ka sa isip mo kung sino ang gusto mong maging friends and kung sino ang gusto mong hindi i-friend. Take that out kasi everybody who is going through the same thing as you, na siguro you don't like their lifestyle back in the Philippines or you don't like their appearance or whatever, take that out kasi it's really important to have like a support system when you're alone here. Like I wasn't in that situation, but when Cal was an international student, I was kind of, introduced to this world also. And we met Alex and Bea because of it. And now we're still friends with Alex, Bea, and Sam, and Mark. And those people have become our support and our circle in Vancouver. So not that I'm saying that we didn't want to be friends with them, but we didn't. I didn't think that I would be, in this circle because I'm just not in there. So yeah, embrace everybody who comes in your way because you never know when you're gonna need them. And it's also really good to just have people familiar to you in an unfamiliar place.
Yeah. And also, just really expect the unexpected. Like, kahit, or hindi ko naman, napaka-negative naman kung sasabihin ko na expect the worst. Pero kasi ang daming magaganda dito sa Canada. Kahit na naghihirap ka, kahit na feeling mo down na down ka bilang pagsasabay sa pag-aaral mo at sa pagtatrabaho mo at bilang malayo ka sa pamilya mo, ang dami pa ring maganda dito sa Canada.
True.
So, ganun, i-prepare mo
Yeah.
lang talaga yung sarili mo.
Yeah. And then lastly, like, just embrace the struggle. Like, if you're struggling to be as an international student, or if you're just struggling in general, embrace it because you're struggling for something.
True.
So yeah, I think we'll just end that here, and then we'll probably have a live somewhere talking about finance. So we'll look for that if you wanna listen to that. But yeah, thanks for watching, everyone.
Thank you guys. Thank you all guys for watching. We will see you on the next vlog.
Yes, and if you can help us out by subscribing, that will be great. Thank you. Bye.